Hello everyone. Imagine you are driving a car with no speedometer. You can fuel the tank and press the accelerator, but you have no idea how fast you are going. That is exactly how energy management feels without proper indicators. In the world of ISO 50006-2023, that speedometer is called an Energy Performance Indicator or ENPI. These indicators are at the very heart of the standard because they show not only how much energy an organization uses, but also how effectively it is used. In this video, we will dive deep into ENPIs, understand what they are, why they matter, how they have developed, and how they can transform energy management. Now, what are ENPIs? Energy Performance Indicators or ENPIs are quantitative measures of energy performance. They are just like business KPIs but specifically focused on energy. A steel factory might measure kilowatt hours per ton of output. A transport company could monitor liters of fuel per kilometer, and a hospital might calculate energy consumed per patient bed. ENPIs transform raw energy data into meaningful performance metrics that organizations can actually use to track improvements. Without ENPIs, there is no way to judge whether actions to improve energy efficiency are successful. Now let's discuss why ENPIs are the heart of ISO 50006-2023. ENPIs are central to ISO 50006-2023 because they form the evidence that supports energy management claims. They provide the proof of improvement required by ISO 50001 and help organizations make decisions with confidence. ENPIs also make energy performance visible, comparable, and actionable. They prevent organizations from misreading energy use by filtering out noise caused by external factors like weather or production demand. In short, they are the heartbeat that shows if your energy management system is alive and delivering real results. Now let's discuss the types of ENPIs. ISO 50006-2023 explains that there is no one-size-fits-all ENPI. Different industries need different types of indicators. Simple ratio ENPIs compare energy to a single output, like kilowatt hour per product. Indexed ENPIs use a baseline score, such as 100 in the base year, to measure relative changes. Normalized ENPIs adjust performance to account for variables such as weather, occupancy, or production shift. Composite ENPIs combine several indicators into one for complex operations. Choosing the right type of ENPI depends on the organization's energy profile and goals. Now, developing good ENPIs. Not all indicators are useful. ISO 50006-2023 outlines the qualities of a good ENPI. It must be relevant to significant energy uses, measurable with accurate and reliable data, consistent so that results are fair over time, and actionable so it leads to meaningful improvements. For example, instead of only tracking total energy use, a textile factory may choose indicators like energy per unit produced and energy per machine hour. These ENPIs give managers the insight they need to act. Normalization and ENPIs. ENPIs are powerful, but they can be misleading if not adjusted for changing conditions. That is why normalization is so important. ISO 50006-2023 strengthens its guidance on normalization, providing statistical methods to adjust indicators for relevant variables. A hotel, for instance, may use energy per guest night but normalize it for seasonal occupancy. A data center may calculate kWh per terabyte but adjust for traffic spikes. Normalization ensures that ENPIs reflect true performance rather than external fluctuations. Now let's discuss about the benefits of strong ENPIs. When organizations invest in well-designed ENPIs, the benefits are significant. They gain credible evidence of savings for audits and external reporting. They improve decision-making since managers know which projects are actually delivering value. ENPIs also strengthen ESG and sustainability reporting, which is increasingly demanded by regulators and investors. Finally, they help organizations move toward net zero goals with confidence because they are based on solid, normalized data instead of assumptions. To conclude this, we can say that energy performance indicators are the heart of ISO 50006-2023. They turn vague energy data into actionable insights. They provide the proof that energy-saving projects are working and allow organizations to normalize results for fairness. With ENPIs, energy management becomes measurable, credible, and strategic. If ISO 50001 provides the structure for energy management, ISO 50006 through ENPIs provides the proof. Without ENPIs, you are driving blind. With them, you gain clarity, control, and confidence. If this video gave you insights into how ENPIs work, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your colleagues. Comment below with examples of ENPIs you think are most useful in your industry, and let's build a smarter conversation about energy management together. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.